On one fateful day, while I was browsing through the internet, I came across an article that caught my attention. Will AI replace software engineers? That is the title. It came as a shock to my stomach after working in the tech sector for more than 7 years, developing projects, coaching engineers, and resolving issues. I couldn't help but think, is everything I have worked so hard for at risk of becoming irrelevant? If you have had that same thought, you are not alone. The rise of AI tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and others is making all of us wonder if learning to code is still worth it. Today, I am sharing my personal story and why I believe coding is not just worth it, but more essential than ever. Stick around and I will show you how my perspective went from doubt to absolute clarity. By the way, if you are new here or you have been watching without subscribing, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button. I create content to help developers like you navigate the ever-changing tech world, from coding tips to real-world projects and stories like this one. So, don't miss out. Let's keep building together. Here is where it all started. I have been coding for over 7 years. I have worked on everything from simple websites to complex applications that power entire organizations. I have seen trends come and go, and I have adapted every step of the way. But when AI tools started generating code that looked good, I will admit, I felt a little uneasy. One day, a colleague approached me during a project and said, "Why not use AI to speed things up?" I was skeptical but decided to give it a try. I prompted an AI to write a function for processing user data. At first glance, the results seemed pretty solid, but as I tested it, I realized something critical. It missed important scenarios specific to our project's needs. I ended up rewriting part of the function, debugging issues, and retesting everything. That is when it dawned on me that while AI is intelligent, it really doesn't understand the context. While it is able to write code, it doesn't have the experience or complexity to imagine certain pitfalls. It is great, but it is great if you already know what you are doing. It is like having an assistant. Learning to code is not just about writing lines of syntax. It is about understanding how to solve problems. Think about this. When you are debugging, you are not just fixing errors. You are figuring out why something is not working and coming up with creative solutions. That is a skill no AI can replicate. And trust me, after 7 years, I have seen firsthand how critical that skill is. So, why does coding still matter in an AI-driven world? Let me break it down for you. First, AI is just a tool. Remember calculators. They did not replace mathematicians. AI is not replacing coders either. It is making us faster and more efficient. Second, jobs are evolving. Yes, AI is automating some tasks, but it is also creating new roles. Think about titles like AI integrator or AI solution architect. These jobs still require coding skills and a deep understanding of how systems work. Third, independence and creativity. Knowing how to code means you can build your own projects, automate repetitive tasks, or create tools that solve real-world problems. That is power. That is freedom. Here is something I have learned after years of coding. AI can follow patterns, but it can't innovate. It doesn't understand human needs the way we do. When you code, you are not just solving technical problems, you are solving human problems. That is something no machine can replicate. Now, let's get real. Should you still learn to code in this era of AI? My answer is a resounding yes. Here is why. Coding is not just a job skill. It is a way of thinking. It teaches you how to adapt, how to collaborate, and how to work with cutting-edge tools like AI. I'll be honest, the first time I saw AI generate code, I was intimidated. But over time, I realized it is not about AI replacing us. It is about us learning to use AI effectively. It is about knowing when the AI is wrong, how to fix it, and how to guide it. That is where your skills as a coder comes in. So, whether you are just starting out or you have been wondering if coding is still relevant, let me tell you this. AI might be smart, but it still needs you to guide it. One last thing, the beauty of coding is its versatility. Whether you are venturing into web development, game design, AI, or even automating tasks for your small business, the skills you gain are universally valuable. And guess what? The tools may change, but the foundational knowledge stays with you. So start learning, keep practicing, and embrace the journey. If you are ready to start, hit that like button and subscribe. I have got tutorials, tips, and real-world advice to help you navigate this AI-powered world as a coder. Let's build something amazing together. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Happy coding!